Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my used vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Ford Mustang Premium Ecoboost. This vehicle only has 29,697 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a rear-wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, and also 18 by 8-inch machine face aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our jet black leather seating with a white lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have our standard radio. We have heated and cooling seating on both sides, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.